All right, so the first thing I want to talk about today actually is about the little intro video that I did today about how to make an undertow. I want you to understand the seriousness of my love towards this undertow. So if you ever walk into Starbucks, you're going to say, I want an undertow, and most of the baristas will say, oh, really? You've heard about it, huh? Because it's really a barista type of drink. So you saw how it was made. It is possible you can get it made in other places. But overall, I think my best experience has been at Starbucks. At the same time, I've had many of them just be horrible. So you really have to coach them up. So maybe you can use this video now, like say, hey, I want this drink, I want this undertow. And if you see that it comes out cold, here's the thing, let me back up. If you get an undertow that's kind of lukewarm all the way through, kind of cold all the way through, they blew it, they screwed up. That means they didn't use the spoon properly, because it's supposed to be very cold on the bottom and hot on top. And that's what makes it a very special drink. So go have an undertow, think of me, get inspired by it, and I think you'll definitely be on a high for the rest of the day.